All right, in example 9, we're asked again, find the rate of change, but from -4 to -1. All right, so that is the formula. In this case, we're going to use g instead of s, so g of b minus g of a all over b minus a. We label our values here. This is our a value, this is our b value, simply because it comes first and that comes second. So now we're going to set it up. We're going to have g of b, which is -1, minus g of a, which is -4, all over b was -1 minus a, which was -4. All right, so of these four things that we have here, we need to find out this and we need to find out that. So we're going to go do that work. We're going to find g of -1 and g of -4. So we're going to set it up. We're going to take negative something squared plus 2, negative something squared plus 2. All right, over here we're going to plug in -1. -1 squared is 1, but don't forget about the negative outside, so that's -1 plus 2 is 1. So the function of g at -1 is 1. Now let's find the other one, -4. We're going to plug in -4 into g. We're going to get -4 squared is 16, minus, and then plus, -16 plus 2 is -14. All right, so now we know that g of -4 is -14. Now let's plug these in. G of -1, well, that was 1. Minus g of -4, that was -14. All over -1 minus a -4. Let's simplify this up. Here I get a double sign, double negative becomes positive, so that's 1 plus 14, which is 15. And then here I get a double sign, so that's -1 plus 4, which is 3. And so 15 over 3 is 5. So the rate of change equals 5.